This video is part of a series on the United States government. In this series, you will learn the answers to the 100 questions on the US Citizenship test, and will also learn important civics vocabulary to use in social studies classes and everyday life. Today's topic is amendments. Before we talk about amendments, let's learn how the Constitution became the law of the land. We talked about the Constitution in my last video, so make sure to watch that first and then come back. After the Constitution was written in 1787, it did not become law right away. It needed to be approved by the states. This is called ratification. Let's say that word. Ratification. Ratification. Ratification means official approval. It means that the states say yes to the Constitution. In 1788, the Constitution was ratified after 9 out of the 13 states voted to approve it. That was the rule. If 9 states agreed, the Constitution would become law. Sometimes the government needs to change the Constitution. That's why we have amendments. An amendment is a change or addition, extra part, to the Constitution. Let's practice saying this word. Amendment. Amendment. There are 27 amendments in the Constitution today. The first 10 amendments are very important. They are called the Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights lists the basic rights of people in the United States. These are the rights that the government cannot take away. Let's take a look at one of the amendments. The First Amendment is the most well-known. It protects these 5 rights: freedom of speech, which is the right to say what you think and feel; freedom of religion, the right to follow any religion or none at all; freedom of the press, the right for newspapers, TV, and other media to share information and news; freedom to assemble. This is the right to gather with other people in groups, like in protests or meetings. Freedom to petition the government. This is the right to ask the government to make changes or fix problems. These are very important rights in a free country. Vocabulary practice. Fill in the blank with the correct vocabulary word. I will come back in 1 minute with the answers. The students are signing a petition to ask for changes in their school. The ratification of the Constitution happened in 1788 when the 9th state approved it. An amendment is a change or addition to the Constitution. The first 10 amendments are called the Bill of Rights. The group will assemble outside the entrance at 10 a.m. Speaking practice. These questions come from the US Citizenship test. I will ask the question and you answer by speaking. I'll give you the answer afterwards so you can check. What is an amendment? A change or addition to the Constitution. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? The Bill of Rights. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? You just need to say one, so you could say freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, or petition the government. How many amendments does the Constitution have? "27. Thanks for watching. Come back next time and we'll talk about what the Declaration of Independence is and what it says.